No, you're good, bro. Ja, heel raar is het. 6 keer wat.
Bos, kasih.
Come up. Apply, bro. Apply for swings. With Coco, man. You know you're in good hands with Coco. Coco's hands are always free.
You're in good hands, but you're gonna hold my balls.
Yo, that's gay. Caralho, no, Chanina, que o bus. Jerry Cato, the bus. Rigo, Weeds, operator, Mr. Weeds. Waiting for who's not out? John, Joey, and Reedy. Oh, damn. There's a lot of them. There's like 10 of y'all, right? There's like 10 of y'all.
If you come in, it's gonna be 11.
Damn, it was supposed to be 11 with Jesse, huh? Hey, when is... Damn.
Is the guy gonna get released? Or is he gonna always out his new first?
I think he's still in there, bro. He's still in the joint.
Let's go.
Damn, you guys are a lot, bro.
It's gonna be like Lega and Plat again.
That's good, bro. I like that. You see, Record is gonna do morning too with us.
He's coming here?
Yeah, he's gonna work in the morning with us.
Tell him to hop on forklift.
Yeah, he says gonna say, hey, I want to work with you guys in the morning. I was like, oh, Record. Ik wil bara fly this ashore. Huh? Ik wil this ashore. It's like, hell yeah. Now we can get off, smile at these guys.
Weren't you on Viking yesterday?
Viking?
About probiotic?
No, what is it called? Offline? I don't know why I'm on offline. I'm always online every day. I don't know why I'm offline. I'm supposed to be online because I'm online every day. TikTok, Facebook,
online
YouTube.
TikTok. I see your TikTok sometimes.
Yeah, bro. Oh, I think I'm already annoying the shit out of like some of the Mexicans, bro.
That's good.
Thanks, bro. Thank you. Buko. Oh, angat. Ah, hey.
When you're not telling the video.
No, cause. Oh shit.
Nobody was.
Legit. Where is it? Oh, I said it went.
Kuada je wat zakuro.
Meron na. It's just chef, I don't know, not what story yet. Or not. Oh, just move it in. Ty, Tybo. I got you though, bro. I got you.
What happened?
Fuck, I wanna go up. Hey, my operator, my operator wants to operate you. Shit.
What happened? Okay, never mind. I cannot say it no more.
Alright, bro. Good night. See you tomorrow when you walk in. Huh? See you when you walk in, bro. You that try to ignore me. You see, bro? I was already screaming your name yesterday. I was like, why is he trying to be quiet? Is it because now I know why? Because I was on the go. They kept laughing. They kept laughing at me when I kept screaming your name.
If I go through resource, I could get it. And then?
Go! I was like, oh, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just calling my brother. Go! Yeah, someone was standing next to you.
He said, what did that?
Okay, operator.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
I'm gonna be in the other one though. But I'll go outside.
You don't want to be
Alright, bro. See you tomorrow. Bye, Jerry. Pode te copar. Oi.
Bye to Coco. Bye Coco.